want to address a very, very important matter this afternoon. And that is a key to the doors that are usually closed. When we walk in the path of life, we find many doors that are sealed, many doors that are closed. The opener or the one who opens those doors is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For example, a person's rizq or a person's sustenance. Sometimes one is suffering in terms of wealth. They have debt. They don't have a good job. Their salary is not sufficient. Sometimes we have a health matter. We are trying to resolve the matter, but nothing is happening. So the door seems to be closed. However, there is a way of opening the door. And that way is taught to us by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is a very, very simple way, but it requires continuity. You cannot call out to Allah, make dua and supplicate to Him now that you have a financial problem and you expect someone to drop down 2 million ringgits tomorrow morning. It cannot be so quick. Yes, Allah can do it, but He won't, because the condition that your heart is in when you are in need is far softer than when you are not in the desperate need. Subhanallah. The heart is soft. We've forgiven. We have created peace between us and Allah. So Allah, through His love and His mercy, sometimes holds us in that condition for a long period of time, because He knows this worshipper of mine is so close to me today because he is sick, because he has a problem. If I were to give him back what he is asking for, maybe he might forget us completely. So Allah keeps us in a certain condition. His mercy. However, there is a key to these doors, to open them one by one. And that key is very simple. It is called Astaghfirullāh. Many doors are closed in our lives. To open the door, you need the key known as Astaghfirullāh. What is the meaning of Astaghfirullāh? It means, oh Allah, I seek your forgiveness. Forgive me. Whatever you want in your life, ask Allah's forgiveness. And ask Him in a way that you mean it. Even if you say it once, understanding it, realizing it, it's more powerful than having sat and recited it so many times without any form of concentration. This is why we say, use your own language. Repeat this 100 times a day. It will open the doors of all the difficulties you are facing. It is such a powerful statement that wallahi, it can take you straight to paradise.